Diabetes assessment can be recalled by the diabetes pancreas who gave birth to complications and is now telling her life story to the assess man. It all began in childhood with type 1 diabetes, which commonly has a juvenile onset shown by the child with on switch. This type is characterized by absent or minimal insulin production, the insect syringe leaving, and patients are often ketosis prone, shown by the ketone keys the child is playing with. The next scene is the pancreas as an adult, which represents type 2 diabetes, which typically has an adult onset, shown by the adult on switch. This condition is characterized by insulin resistance, the insect syringe being swatted by resistance. A common risk factor for type 2 diabetes is obesity, shown by the obese pancreas, which may include eating a diet high in fats and sugars along with a lack of exercise. The third scene illustrates gestational diabetes, which has an onset during pregnancy, shown by the pregnancy on switch. Pregnancy hormones can block insulin from doing its job, causing glucose intolerance, shown by the pancreas being intolerant to the glue bottle, who has caused her heartache. Various complications can occur due to diabetes, such as retinopathy, shown by the wavy red tin eyes, or peripheral vascular disease, shown by the peripheral vessels diseased. Nephropathy, shown by the wavy kidney, is the result of kidney damage, while neuropathy, the wavy nerve guy, results from nerve damage. So let's review. Diabetes involves several different classifications. Type 1 typically has a juvenile onset, involves absent or minimal insulin production, and patients are ketosis prone. Type 2 commonly has an adult onset, involves insulin resistance, and a risk factor is obesity. Gestational diabetes starts during pregnancy and involves glucose intolerance. Complications include retinopathy, peripheral vascular disease, nephropathy, and neuropathy.
This diabetes pancreas is feeling a little down on herself, so the assess man is here to get to the root of the issue. She says it all started when she was a kid. One day, her no-good insect syringe father left out the front door. He tossed her a ketone keyring to play with and said he'd be right back. It wasn't until she was a fully grown adult that he returned, and by then, she didn't want anything to do with him.
For the rest of the story, check out Picmonic.com and sign up for a free account. There, you can also take Picmonic's quiz. The quiz automatically sets up your daily quiz by using spaced repetition algorithms based on the questions you've missed or struggled with to make sure you study what you need when you need to. And while you're there, check out our vast library of endocrine disorders. We've got a massive amount of the content you'll need to remember. Everything from diabetes assessment, interventions in education, Dawn phenomenon, diabetes insipidus, and much, much more. So you can lock down everything you need to know forever. Play, quiz, and spaced repetition. Efficient, effective, and research proven to increase exam scores.